When my clients bought this house 3 years ago, it was one of the best in Talega. Great ocean view lot, fantastic floor plan. But now, after 3 years of renovations and over-the-top upgrades, it is safe to say this is the best in luxury living in Talega. If you want all of this to be yours, you can contact me, Kelly LeClaire, for a private showing of 31 Via Conosito. Thanks for watching.